2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, heated seats, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, dual airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, four-wheel drive, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, premium sound, power windows, MP3 playback stereo. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.